Hi, today I will show you how to use Julie Emulator in a Continental PCR2.1 ECU in Skoda Fabia 2011 with 1.6 diesel engine. In order to simulate a damaged key, wrap it in a tin foil. It will block the transponder signal. As you see, the car starts and stops, and a safe message shows up on the dashboard. Now, take the ECU out. You need to unscrew the air filter to have better access to the ECU. Connect the ECU on the table to check if the emulator is working correctly. To do this, connect the ECU according to this pinout. Now, carefully open the cover of the ECU. This ECU is equipped with an Infineon tri-core SAK TC1796 processor. You have to read its CS and MAC values using appropriate tools. Now, solder jumpers 6 and 7 on Julie Emulator using a soldering iron and tin. This combination of jumpers is dedicated to Skoda. Unsolder the 24C02 memory from the back of the emulator . And write the CS and the MAC values onto it. Solder the programmed memory back into the emulator. Connect the wires. CAN high, CAN low, power, ground, and connect the emulator. Turn the ignition on. The blue LED means that the emulator has self-adjusted. The white LED means power. It's working correctly on the table. Now let's find out if it will work in the car. The key is still wrapped in tin foil. The car starts and the save message doesn't show up on the dashboard in the case of this vehicle. That's all. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.